Hello and welcome everyone. Here is our another video of generally asked pharma question. So before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can get the latest video and notification. So let's start the video. First, what is the difference between responsibility and accountability? Responsibility is a personal directly associated with the implementation of the procedure. Accountability is a personal directly associated with the implementation of the system under which the procedure falls. Next, why nitrogen gas used in the manufacturing area at a room temperature and why not other gas? Because of the nitrogen gas is chemically less reactive and does not react with the other element at ordinary temperature. It is due to strong bonding in its molecule. Next, what are the different types of cleaning? There are three types of cleaning: batch to batch cleaning, periodically cleaning, and product change over cleaning. Next, what is the expiry date? Expiry date, the date placed on a container or a label of an API designated the time during which an API is expected to remain with established shelf life specification if stored under defined condition and after which it should not be used. Next, what is the deviation and its type? Deviation is departure from the approved instruction or established standard. There are two types of deviation: controlled or planned deviation. Any deviation from documented procedure obtained deliberately for a temporary period to manage unavoidable situation or improving the performance of the operation without affecting the quality and yield of the drug substance and safety of the operation shall be termed as a controlled or planned deviation. Uncontrolled or unplanned deviation. Any deviation occurred in unplanned or uncontrolled manner such as a system failure or equipment breakdown or manual error shall be termed as an uncontrolled or unplanned deviation. Next, what is a contamination and cross-contamination? Contamination, the undesired introduction of impurities of a chemical or a microbiological nature or a foreign nature into or onto raw material, intermediate or API during production, sampling, packaging or repackaging, storage or transport. Cross-contamination is a contamination of a material or a product with another material or a product. Next, what is a batch number and batch? Batch number, a unique combination of number or letters or a symbol which identify a batch and from which the production and distribution history can be determined. Batch, a specific quantity of a material produced in process or series of processes so that is expected to be homogeneous within specified limit. In case of continuous production, a batch may be correspond to defined fraction of a production. Batch size may be defined either by fixed quantity or the amount of produced in a fixed time interval. Next, what is a quarantine? A status of material isolated physically or by effective means pending the decision on their subsequent approval or rejection. Next, what is the definition of critical process parameter? A process parameter whose variability has an impact on a critical quality attribute and therefore should be monitored or controlled to ensure the process produce a desired quality. Next, what are the classification of residual solvent? Residual solvents are classified into three classes based on their possible risk to human health. Class 1 solvent to be avoided, Class 2 solvent to be limited, Class 3 solvent to be low toxic potential. Hope you like this video. For more video and notification, join us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.